Hello everyone. Today we have Dell 5511. It has a broken LCD. So we just go to replace the LCD. Great. Okay. First thing we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screw. We need to remove it so we can just take off the cover. We start from there. Just be careful. So I will try to looking for a cover on eBay. Sometimes you can find the cheap covers, so it will be good just to replace it. Okay, before everything, just remember take off the battery. Disconnect the battery, and we have the cable connector you need to take off, and the antenna cable. You need to check how many pins it has, because one model just comes with 30 pins and the others just comes with 40 pins. So be sure to please just to count how many pins you have it. Okay. And for my model, it has a 30. Okay. And the other things we need to do it. Take off these cables. Okay. And let's return this. Thank you. Okay. This is the first thing. Second, you need to take off the screwdriver from the hinge. Let me check. Yeah, because there's a screwdriver here. I know it. There will be 6, 3 on each side. I like it to keep each part screws together, so you know where this is going. And if you don't have something like mine, this pad, you can just put it on any place, and you can just, a small paper, and just type it like this is a hinge screws, this is an antenna screw, and same thing. After that, you need just carefully open it and take it off, and now you can just with your hand just make it like this, and there you go. Okay, so put this. This, the bezel, you need to take it off carefully. So we start with one side or right corner. Always take your time, okay? bezel. It's clean. And be sure the camera cover is there. Put it on the side. Okay, now we have 4 screws for the LCD. 1, 2, 3, 4. You need to take them off. And you can just careful here because we need to disconnect the cable. They change it. Okay, and carefully take it off, left, right, and that's it. So this is the old LCD. Let me bring the new LCD. Okay, I have ordered the new LCD from Amazon. I will put the link. This is the new one. Let me show you something. In the old one, if you see, we have this piece for the hinge, the LCD with the cover. So how you take it off? I'm already take one on them off, so we can take the other one off. So just pull this, and you don't need to cut it. So take down here, and yeah. Yeah, take this off. In this case, we will use 2 sides. So I need this to be there. And do it for the other side. Let me show you. We can nest it like this case. So this one, this is the other one. It will be, and you already have right, left. Do this. Take more of this. Okay. Great. Cool. I already have it. 1, 2, 3, and the 4th. Now you just want to connect our cable. Just be sure it's connected correctly. There you go. And now you need to start good. Just leave it. It will be connected. Okay, don't forget to remove this. And just return. That's good. And you can just do it from one side. No, too short. There we go. Everything looks great. And our LCD is perfect back. So now put this aside. And if we turn our computer, so this will be like this. And there you go. Okay, good. Turn this first. The other one. 2. Good. This is over here. And okay, we have this. Inside it has 3 screws, don't forget that. And the antenna cable. So here you have white wire, black wire, and there is a white, black. So just each one, put the white on the white, and that's it. And here we put the black too. The black back too, and turn this inside. So okay, and this is over here. These for the Wi-Fi. We are good. Start the battery. And let me bring the adapter. Okay, the adapter. The cable is broken, and maybe just I'll fix it. But let me test it first. Okay, there you go. Our computer is working great. The LCD is working perfectly. Okay, thank you for watching. For more, it is a bit lurker. I will just open it. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. And for any question, just leave your question in the comment. And thank you for watching again. See you in next video. Bye bye.